Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back with very quick delicious Indian recipe as part of the 30-minute Indian, and if you want a whole range of 30-minute meal ideas, then you must check out my book 30-minute Indian. I am not doing directly recipes from here. Some of them will be from here, some of them I've just made fresh for the series, but because so many of you ask for written recipes, you can find them in the book. Right, today I am making a very quick paneer and peas sabji, and we're going to make it in under 30 minutes. So let's get cooking. Let's not waste any more time. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Need 2 onions. You can use red, white, yellow, green, whatever you want. I am going to use red because that's what I have at home at the moment. So 2 medium-sized onions, and I'm literally just going to roughly chop it, which should take a minute or so. A nice hot pan and 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil of your choice. Sunflower, rapeseed, if you want you can use ghee, whatever you like. So now the oil is hot, I'm going to add a teaspoon of mustard seeds, and now some fresh curry leaves if you have them. Next, the onions. And I am going to give these around 5 to 6 minutes because I just want, like, as they start to get some color. And in the meantime, I'm going to use this time and chop up some things. So in that 6 minutes, I'm going to chop up 2 tomatoes roughly and 2 to 3 garlic cloves. Just roughly chop both of these things. So you can see that they've just started to get some color, and that's all I want. I'm going to add the garlic, give it 1 minute. Now the tomatoes. Just going to give this 5 minutes to soften up. You can see the tomatoes have softened up really nicely. I'm going to add the spices. In goes 3/4 teaspoon of salt. You can add a bit more if you need, but that should be enough for the quantity. I'm going to add a teaspoon of turmeric. Again, chili to taste. So I'm just adding 3/4 teaspoon. And the last thing is a teaspoon of homemade garam masala goes in. Give it a good mix. Now 150 grams of frozen peas, like a cup basically. You can add more if you want more peas, but this is like a perfect balance between the paneer and the peas, which is why I'm adding this much. Give it a mix. And here I have got 2 blocks of paneer, and each block is 220 grams. So you can obviously add more, but this should serve 4 people. And I'm just chopping it into small cubes. I can crumble it, but I want cubes for this sabji. I am just going to put a lid on this and give it just 5 minutes so that the paneer can heat up and it can absorb the flavors, and kind of it can steam up in all the spices. So I will give this covered 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes since the cooking. I'm going to finish this with a squeeze of lemon juice, just a tablespoon or so, and a mix. And that's it, my friends. This is ready in under 30 minutes. So really the whole idea is that you can make a delicious healthy meal which does not take a long time. So even after work or kind of weekends, there really are not many excuses left, to be honest. So let's taste it. Let's taste this deliciousness. I would serve this with piping hot chapatis. That would be my best and kind of my favorite thing to serve it with, or lacha paratha or naan. And if you have any leftovers, just fill it up in a sandwich or something, or a wrap, and take it for your lunch boxes, because a lot of people ask me lunchbox ideas, but all my recipes can be taken in lunch boxes. So that's what I'm telling you to do. Use the leftovers for your lunchbox. And here it is, piping hot matar paneer. The touch of lemon just brings this together so nicely. Hope you will give this a go. Don't forget to subscribe. All the links in the description, and I'll see you back for another new recipe. Are you enjoying these 30-minute recipe ideas? Let me know in the comments. Bye for now. Enjoy.